Welcome to our showdown between two powerful 32GB DDR5 SODIMM RAM options, the crucial 32GB RAM Kit and the Corsair Vengeance 32GB RAM. In this video, we will dive deep into their specifications, performance metrics, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The crucial RAM kit features a dual-channel configuration with two 16GB modules, allowing for maximum memory bandwidth and improved performance in multitasking and gaming scenarios. In contrast, the Corsair Vengeance offers a single 32GB stick, which may limit performance due to running in single-channel mode. This configuration is ideal for users who may want to upgrade to 64GB in the future, but sacrifices immediate performance benefits. When it comes to CAS latency, the crucial RAM kit boasts a tighter timing of CL46, which translates to faster data access and improved responsiveness. On the other hand, the Corsair Vengeance operates at a slightly looser CL48, which may result in marginally slower performance in latency-sensitive applications. This difference can be crucial for gamers and professionals who rely on quick data retrieval. In terms of pricing, the crucial 32GB RAM kit is priced at $161, reflecting its dual-channel configuration and performance capabilities. Meanwhile, the Corsair Vengeance is more affordable at $131, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. However, potential buyers should weigh the cost against the performance benefits offered by the crucial kit. In conclusion, the crucial 32GB DDR5 RAM kit offers superior performance with its dual-channel configuration and tighter CAS latency, making it the better choice for high-performance computing. However, if budget is a primary concern, the Corsair Vengeance provides a solid alternative with its single-stick design. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.